Getting into IIT is a dream for many. So today we have with us a very special guest who achieved this dream through immense hard work, passion, dedication and determination. Presenting before you Sandeep Sharma sir. Hello sir.
Hi,
How are you sir? We are glad to have you here.
I'm good. I'm glad to be here.
Yeah, so sir, these were questions from many of the students that how this journey from a common boy to IIT Kharagpur started. So from which class did you started preparing for it?
I started from the mid of my ninth class, and then I took a drop after 12th. That's how I got into college. It was a really nice journey actually. I learned a lot of things about IIT through my journey with the help of my teachers in my school as well as in, tuition.
Okay. So sir, was it pre-decided that you will be doing IIT and
No. So in 8th class, while I was preparing for one scholarship exam called NTSC, during that time I realized that I love physics basically, and I wanted to be a physics, something in physics. Then during my 10th class, 11th class, I realized that electronics was the best part for me in physics. That's why I took electronics engineering in IIT Kharagpur. And for this only department, I took a drop.
okay. So sir, how much time one should dedicate for getting selected into IIT?
Well, that depends on the person actually. Well, some of my friends studied for like only 4 or 5 hours per day, and some of us studied for like 12 hours, 13 hours, or even 16 hours.
So how
So,
much
but
time
but on
you
average, so I studied for like 10 or 12 hours every day, leaving
okay.
Sundays. That is for rest.
Okay. So does the academic background of like 9th, 10th, 11th really matters for getting admission into IITs? Like, whosoever is good from 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, only that person can be selected.
Nah, not at all. Doesn't matter. So my rank was like in 10,000s when I gave my exam in after 12th class. But then after taking a drop, my rank increased to 12,000, 1275, something around that. So
Great.
this was a nice term, but there was one of my friend. He didn't get selected in 12th class. His rank was around 18,000, and he got 500 rank. And he was not at all a topper. He failed in 7th class. In 9th class, he came under 10, and in 11th class, he came under 5. And finally selected under 500 in IIT after a drop. It
So
really doesn't
according,
matter. Yeah,
sir, according to you, it's purely hard work.
hard work and basically smart work. You have to manage your time very efficiently.
Okay.
Listen to your teachers basically what they're telling you about the preparation. It's important.
So, have you prepared from Kota or somewhere else? Like, from where did it?
No, from my city. There is a coaching in my city.
Okay.
Hi, am I audible? Hello.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
go ahead, go
So
ahead.
there's a coaching in my city called Catalyzer. I prepared from there. I didn't go to Kota.
Okay, great. So, even after being into top colleges, like top college IIT, have you ever faced any situation where you felt that I'm depressed? It's over
That
now.
a lot of times actually.
Sir, but
Uh,
you were in one of the dream colleges of many people.
See, college is like a mini world. You will see a lot of people, a variety of cultures, variety of mindsets. It's not necessary that everything will be good in college. You're a college in yourself, right? You're a college student, so you can understand.
But
So
still, sir, IIT is a dream. And
yeah, I
you,
was happy that I got selected in IIT. Also, for it, your college name doesn't matter. It's you who matter. Your mindset matters. Okay, so no matter what student is, who the student is, where he or she is coming from, you will go through the same situations more or less.
Okay.
Some culture will be different. Some environment might be different, but situations are more or less same.
Sir, we would like to know that we have heard that you got a silver medal in Inter IIT Cultural Week. So how was it like? So can you please throw some light?
I got a silver medal in duet dance competition in my second year. So when I got, it was a really happy moment for me when I got selected into the dance society of my college. But even after getting selected, my dance was horribly bad. Horribly bad. All of my colleagues were too good, far better than me. But somehow I got selected. Then during my first year, I trained really hard. Then I also got a really good teacher. He was a final year. In my second year, he started teaching me in August. So he trained me for like 4 or 5 months. Then in December, he chose me as his partner for the duet dance.
Wow.
Yeah, then we got silver medal.
So any incident of your college life which you cherish the most and like which you admire to relive?
To relive, the whole college life was good actually. Depends on what type of moment are you asking.
So
Fun
any
movement,
kind.
academic movement.
Sir, any moment which you like to share with us?
Okay, there is one moment. It is not really happy moment, but worth remembering.
Okay.
So it was like I almost got kidnapped during one of the trips.
Okay.
So
Seriously?
we went, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, we went to a trip with my dance society.
Okay.
Then I was responsible for getting a taxi back to the place where we were staying. The taxi driver was really not good. He took me somewhere else.
Oh wow. Great. So sir, then what happened? Like how you got to know that you have reached somewhere else and then
Well, I know the place where we were staying, so I know that that was not the place. And he took 3,000 rupees from me.
okay.
So picking me up to dropping up to the same point.
Wow, great. So sir, in this pandemic period, like we know this coronavirus and all, where every company is concerned about cutting off the cost. So how did you get recruited at Sypnosis India Private Limited?
Well, I asked my manager. He told me it doesn't really matter. We can work from home. Well, as for getting placed, during my campus placements, I was not placed at a good company and I didn't had a very good package. So I kept that package in chance. If by chance I didn't get selected somewhere else in a good company or something. Then in February, I re-interviewed for another company, this Synopsis only. There he took my interview for like 3 hours. 3-hour interview.
Long
And three
time.
different people. Yeah, very long time. I was very tired after the interview. Then after 2 weeks, he told me the result and I was selected. I asked him the same question whether during the corona period, whether my placement will be affected or not. He told no, you can always work from home. We will send your laptop. We will train you from home.
Okay.
Yeah.
So sir, the most awaited question is here. So what is your package?
Package.
Would you like to tell us?
Yeah, sure. I mean, why not? It's 16 lakhs.
Okay. Quite a good one, I must say.
It's a huge improvement also from the previous company.
Oh, wow. Okay, so sir, it's time for the rapid fire. And I will give you one word and you need to tell me the first thing which comes into your mind after hearing it. So sir, are you
I'm
ready?
very bad at rapid fires.
Are you ready, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so first is dance.
Locking. It's a time style.
Okay, goals,
My own company.
inspiration, clever.
All the entrepreneurs,
Okay,
especially Elon Musk.
okay. Electronics,
For inspiration, there is one cartoon character also. Basically anime. It's Naruto.
okay. Electronics,
Uh, Very good. My passion.
IIT,
Nice college. Nice journey.
passion,
Electronics.
research,
Uh, Digital electronics.
entrepreneur.
Yes, of course, I am. I will be.
Okay, sir. So it's end of the rapid fire. Sir, thank you for joining us. We are obliged to have you here.
Thank you, Mehak, for having me. It was a good experience.
So we are honored to have you here. Thank you so much,
Thanks
sir.
a lot. Thanks for having me.
Thank